Hello, welcome to the DSC Resource Kit Community Call for, May 2019. I think Michael is at Microsoft's Build this week, and I think Gail is still out on paternity leave. So Gail should be back from leave soon to continue his work as the overall DSC Resource Kit maintainer. But for at least this call today, it's just me from the DSC side. First, I'm just going to go over the modules that are on track for release next week on Wednesday, May 15th. Then I'm going to open up the floor for any questions, comments, topics, anything else from the community that you'd like to talk about. So there are 11 or 12 modules on track for the release next week. I can paste the list here in the chat, and I can also read them out. They're going to be Certificate DSC, Computer Management DSC, Networking DSC, Office Online Server DSC, PS DSC Resources, maybe SharePoint DSC. I'm not sure if they want a release to go out next week or not. I noticed there's some changes in their repo, but usually they set up the release and then let me know if they'd like to release. And then also SQL Server DSC, Storage DSC, X Active Directory, X Firefox, which I don't think has been uploaded in quite a while, so that's an unusual one, X PS Desired State Configuration, and X Web Administration. I don't know of any breaking changes going out at the moment. I didn't see any from the PR titles at least. Does anybody know either did I miss any modules that you think should go out that need to be released? Or are there any breaking changes in any of those modules that I missed? Okay. Sounds good. Daniel says no breaking changes for the repos for him, and Johan says no breaking changes for him. So that could change in the next week. That's fine. But for now, I don't think there's any breaking changes. All right. That's it for me. Does anybody else have any questions or topics that they would like to bring up? Ah, cool. It looks like Johan made an agenda or Gail made an agenda.
Yeah, I think Gail and me put together some. We have a lot of new maintainers. So
Sweet.
yes. So we have Brian. I don't know how to pronounce the last name. Elite, maybe. X pending reboot. Jason Patton in X DNS server. Nero Ali in X pending reboot. And Brian is added twice here, I see. I'm was added to maintain X SMB share, and that's because I'm trying to move that over to computer management DSC. Jason Ryberg is picking up X Active Directory, Active Directory CS DSC, and X Azure. So have work ahead of him. Mike Beggs is picking up network DSC and XDHCP server. And we have Ryan Christman in X Active Directory and Chase Wilson in X Azure and X Firefox. So we have a new maintainer for X Firefox. That's why we are seeing that going out.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it looks like the waffle board, I think, is closing on May 15th. So on release day next week. Waffle.io is actually closing down. So I don't think we have a replacement for that yet, but I will.
No, Gail was talking in the Slack channel about the only migration path now is to GitHub projects. I think he mentioned you have migrated some other projects there. So
yeah, I've taken some of our private projects and moved them over to GitHub projects. It doesn't work as auto magically as Waffle.io did. So there's a bit more manual work needed to maintain the GitHub board, but it should at least add new issues or new PRs that come up. So we can see them all in one place at least.
cool. Yeah, he's probably gonna do that when he's back.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
He should be back this week or next week, soon. Not exactly sure when. And then,
yeah, sorry.
Yeah, it looks like there's another agenda item here. We're moved off of Gitter to the PoshCode Slack. I think that's the same as the last community call, same Slack channel that you can join. And it looks like there's also a Discord channel.
Yeah, actually, I think Joel Bennett, I think his name is, has connected both. Yes, connected Slack and Discord. The same channel is my. If you talk in Slack, that will also show in Discord. Yeah, bridged. Yeah.
Oh, cool, sweet. So we have both a Slack channel and a Discord channel now that you can join for more discussion. And then it says on here there's also a new module submission for Office 365 DSC. I think this is coming from one of our internal contributors who would like this added to the resource kit.
I think it's Nick. I think Nick.
Mm-hmm. I'm not sure what's happening with that. Honestly, we'll have to wait until Gail comes back.
Is Nick on the call here?
Is he here?
I don't think so. Let's keep that until the next community call.
Yeah, we'll wait until Gail gets back for that because I don't know the current status of what's happening there. All right, and then it looks like in the chat, Thomas is asking for a review of a PR and XPS desired state configuration. And it sounds like Johan's reviewing it.
Yeah, I will look at that.
Okay. Yep, XPS desired state configuration is already on the list for release. So as long as that PR gets in on time, good to go. And then is there another PR in SMB share that Daniel's mentioning?
Yes, I'm gonna.
Yeah, I'll try and. Sorry, Johan, I've just been a bit tied up with work. I'll get that finished this weekend. I think because all your PR comments are addressed now as well, aren't they?
Not for the SMB, I think. I haven't done that yet. I think.
Oh, okay, all right.
So it's on me still. So no worries. I'm gonna fix that.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, Johan.
Anything that gets in to the dev branches before like 9 a.m. next Wednesday is good to go, and I'll get it released.
Yeah, I think Thomas, you had a couple of other PRs you wanted to have a look at, or us to have a look at as well. So I'll try and get to those this weekend as well.
Sweet.
Thomas, is it the PR number 613? Fix the IES uphold account and credential cannot be set and fixes some bugs. Yeah, okay. I'm looking at that. Yeah, I see I commented on that. Okay, sorry, I missed that one. I will get on it. Cool.
All right. Anything else?
From me.
All right, sounds good.
Awesome.
The next call is going to be in another 6 weeks on Wednesday, June 19th, also at noon Pacific time, unless there's a lots of requests for a different time.
Cool.
But that's it for now.
Awesome.
Hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thanks, Bobby. Thanks, everyone.
Cool.
Yep.
Thanks.
Yes, guys.
Bye.